In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate regular emails in Microsoft Outlook. This is a great skill to have, especially if you find yourself repeatedly sending the same emails to your colleagues or clients. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to save time and ensure that your emails are sent out on schedule without any manual effort. Let's get started by navigating to the App Launcher, which you'll find in the top left corner of your Outlook window. This is your gateway to a variety of Microsoft services that can help streamline your work processes. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in Power Automate and click on it. You'll notice that you're redirected to Power Automate's page. This tool is incredibly useful for setting up automated workflows across various Microsoft services. On the Power Automate page, look to the left panel and click Create. Here, you'll want to select Scheduled Cloud Flow. This option allows you to set up flows that run on specific schedules, which is exactly what we need for automating emails. Next up, give your flow a name. Pick something descriptive that helps you remember its purpose, as it will make managing multiple flows much easier in the future. Once you've named your flow, you'll need to select the starting date for when this flow should begin. Be mindful of the date to ensure it aligns with when you want your emails to start going out. Following that, set your flow to repeat at your desired interval. Whether you need emails sent every Monday or another regular schedule, this is where you can define it. Setting the repeat interval correctly is crucial for ensuring your automation runs like clockwork. Once you've configured the schedule, click Create. This action establishes your basic flow, but we're not done yet. The next step involves clicking New Step. This is where we'll add functionality to your flow. From the options presented, you'll want to search for and select Outlook.com. This selection ensures our flow operates with your Outlook email service. At this juncture, if you aren't already signed into your Outlook account, you'll be prompted to do so. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Now, it's time to compose your email. Fill out all the necessary fields such as the recipient's email in the To field. Provide a clear and concise subject line and draft your email in the body section. Make sure to include all pertinent details to avoid any confusion for the recipients, as clear communication is key. And finally, click Save. This step ensures all your settings and email components are securely stored and ready to run according to the schedule you've set. Congratulations! You've now automated your regular emails in Microsoft Outlook, setting you up for a more efficient workflow. With this automation in place, you'll have more time to focus on other important tasks while being confident that your emails are sent exactly when they need to be. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, keep automating and simplifying your processes.